Good afternoon, everyone. I am Akarsth Kumar Singh, a master degree student from National Taiwan University. And today I will be presenting a topic of prospects of integrating BIM and NLP for automatic construction schedule management. And here is my today table of contents. And I will start to begin with, I would like to introduce some more concern related about the construction industry are facing today. Like over the past few decades, the construction industry have play a very crucial role in the economic growth of country around the world. However, a significant issue that the construction delay have most of the mega projects exceed their initial budgets by over 30% and faces a delay of at least 40%. And many researchers has finding that the poor planning and scheduling are one of the main factors leading to the project delays and cost overrun challenges experienced by the contractors and the various stakeholders. And after that, in construction industry, have we project schedule are currently created and updated manually, and resulting which also causes the very time consuming and also human errors. And the manual approaches also numerous benefits is major of a factor including by the contributing the poor planning and scheduling. And in the construction industry, therefore there is a clear need of automation in construction scheduling management to effectively address the challenges. And automation in construction scheduling will also be benefit, including the enhanced accuracy and efficiency scheduling, require human errors, faster updates, and real-time data visualization, and improve the overall process efficiency and also the performance. Now let's explore the technologies that can be added in construction industries through the automation in CSM. So, so there is one technology is a BIM, which improve the construction scheduling by integrating the data and enabling the collaboration, the visualization of time, and also the optimizing the resource allocation for necessary and coordination. And second was the NLP, which also advancement in the construction scheduling technique, automate the tasks and extract the insights from the data and facilitates the effective communication of efficiency and accuracy. Both BIM and NLP are have been two emerging technologies in the AC industry, which not only revolutionize the collaboration and communication, but also a decision making and for the efficiency and leading to better project outcomes. Now, I have done also some literature review over for CSM. Like according to the Project Management Institute, construction scheduling management includes several processes like scheduling preparation, schedule analysis and optimization, schedule updates, and schedule controls. And here is the standard procedure followed in the construction industry, or we can also say that it is the conventional procedure which follow in construction industry, like expert judgments, resource efficiency factors, parametric estimation, project management software tools like MSP and Primavera P6, manually from the DPR and time impact analysis, window analysis, and also for the DCMA schedule assessment. And here is the current state of the art techniques for the CSM, like from the graph-based automation, automated construction scheduling, NLP-based learning from past project schedules, activities and sequencing from the BIM database and scheduling ontology, and IFC and more on. If you see in this state of the art, they are basically divided into the two parts. Like first one was the model-based automation CSM, and second was the learning-based automation CSM. So now let's discuss more about what is the model-based automation CSM. Model-based can automatically generate the optimizing the schedule using the embedded data. But there is some problem in model-based automation CSM, like lack of information and flexibility, and also the dependency on the manual inputs and the lack of learning method from the existing records, rule-based method, and limited validation. So these problems are a little bit covered up by the learning-based automated CSM, because learning-based automation CSM handle the unstructured data like human language text and outperform the model-based method in generalizability in terms of they also predict the unseen data from after the training the model. And currently there are three popular deep learning models that are support this learning-based automated CSM. First one was the long-term short-term memory, like one of the RNN model, and second one was the GCN, graph convolutional neural network, and the latest one was the transformers like BERT and GPT-2 extras. So this is the workflow of the general like a learning-based automation in construction schedule management. We started with the data acquisition, and then we process the data cleaning, and then reprocess the data pre-processing and extract the features, engineering, and then giving the model evaluation, and then model deployment and model monitoring and updating. But we also, you can see that the model evaluation also gives some the data improved pre-processing, because some evaluation will not, when the result will not good, then we again go to the data pre-processing to improve our result. So what are the challenges and limitations for the CSM, for the basically for the both model learning and also for the learning based method? Like for the proposed models, they assume like the uniform precedence dependency, which may be hold in practice, and also incorporating the productivity and risk factors in this model remain challenging. Activity duration and resource uses cannot be directly adapted from the previous projects due to the variance in project sizes. Validation of the logical dependency does not provide, because a comprehensive assessment of the schedule quality. Data-driven models struggle to minimize the bias and irregularities and the unpredictability of the mistakes impact. And also the model tend to be a company specific and the performance best with the data. Like it should be like only one company specific should be give a good accuracy for the predicting the activities. So these are some the future research direction for the CSM, which how to be data to transformation flow from BIM and NLP based automated CSM. As we can see that there are the various data sources we have already available in our construction industry, like BIM models, contract documents, standard codes, company codes, and previous schedule and reports. So in these data sources, we have a different data types, as you can see, and they directly extract the information and knowledge retrieval from the NLP through the and get the information which we really needed for our predicting the activities and making the schedule for further analysis. And this is also one of the new large language model, ChatGPT, as we all know. It's also enable a quick and easily generation of construction project schedule information. However, it is may not fully incorporate project specific constant, because it just show the general schedule, and also it not consider the risks and requirement and accurate of construction and required accuracy from construction experts. But still, they have a future research can be explored in LLM with the BIM NLP based automated CSM. So last, I would like to conclude from previous studies used a model-based and learning-based automation schedule technique for the construction, but faces the issue with the flexibility and manual templates, and the validation of the actual projects also required. And also the integrating the BIM and NLP enhance the CSM by automating the dynamic work templates and learning from the existing records, improving the efficiency and accuracy. Integration aim to reduce the time and efforts in scheduling preparation and updates while enhancing the precision and realism of construction schedule. And future works aim to integrate the multi-source of data for automated CSM, as I also already saw in previous slides, and explore the utilization of large language model like ChatGPT or others. So this is the references which I followed for this presentation only. And I would also like to go for my paper. Maybe you will get more information about it. And thank you. If any